In this video, I'll show us how to get the authorization code for when we share a video link on the Temu app. As a Temu influencer, you're required to join campaigns to help you earn your cash and your seeding balance. So, let's go to the post area. Let's assume you joined a particular campaign and now you're ready to submit the link. You've done the video or the poster and you want to submit the link of this video. Now, post on authorized accounts. If you have your TikTok as your authorized account or Instagram or YouTube, go ahead, post the video on the platform, on that social media platform. Do not forget to use the title that Temu has instructed you to use. I mean the video title, okay? Now, post the link. Go to share of that video in whatever platform you've posted it. Copy the link of the video. Then paste it here in your authorized account where they say enter link, okay? So now the next thing they would ask you to do is that you should paste your authorization code. Once you submit that link, the next message you will get is paste your authorization code. Before I talk about the authorization code, let me quickly say this. If you also want to post on your secondary platform, which you're going to be paid in seeding balance only, because when you post on your authorized platform, you're paid in cash and seeding balance. But when you post on your secondary platform, you're paid in only seeding balance if it's approved. So all you need to do is to just post the same video in that other platform, then copy the link and also paste it. It's just as easy as that. So now let's talk about the authorization code. Of course, you can't see them as for authorization code here because I've not submitted any link. But this is how you do it. I'll use TikTok to demonstrate. Let's assume this is the TikTok video I want to share the authorization code. Click on these three dots right here. Search for where you would see add settings. Click on that. You would see this. Of course, when you're uploading the video, you're supposed to disclose there is a commercial content and everything is just going to be set up. So click on manage and then click on copy code, and just like that you've copied the authorization code. Now go and paste it in the authorization code that is being required of you in the Temu app influencer dashboard. It's that easy. It's very easy. I hope this has answered your question. If you don't know how to upload your video for you to have an authorization code, let me know and I'll do a different video to demonstrate that. All right, thank you for watching and bye.